the next generation self-empty robot, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row while avoiding objects day or night. And now with Ultra Clean, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. Shark's breakthrough clean edge technology uses targeted blasts of air to push debris out from along edges and from deep within corners, delivering 50% better edge cleaning that other robots struggle to reach and clean. The Shark AI Ultra Robot also features a Bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to a month. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. Ultra smart for an ultra clean home.